Ah, best smelling plastic flower I've ever come across. All right, this is nowhere near a plastic flower. This is America's #1 hobby: gardening, landscaping, indoor, outdoor living ideas. It's an amazing thing to get involved with. And what I really love about this is that there are so many different levels, there are so many different aspects, there are so many different things that you can do to have the absolute best looking yard and garden. Period. Now I say garden, and a lot of times people think it's just vegetables. No, your yard, your landscape, whatever the case may be, it's up to us to make sure that everything is absolutely the way that you want it. That's the important part. Now, this camellia bush right here, I smelt the flower. There's no scent to it. Absolutely none whatsoever. But wouldn't it be so cool if you did have a scent in the garden? That's when you start incorporating things like roses. That's where you get your scent. But look at this eye candy right here. You can't go wrong with it. So the maintenance of something like this is really important. You start to see flowers that are kind of browning out on you like this, and all you have to do is just to kind of just tug it a little bit, and look what happens. It comes right off. So then you take this, you put it in your compost pile, you're recycling. Talk about helping Mother Nature out.